A powerful leaf blower gets the snow job done. Painter's tape creates a smooth transition directly into the bag. Tape in a cross-like pattern is yanked to fix a dent. A horizontal wooden spoon prevents this cat from ever escaping. A bent plastic cup creates a smooth silicone finish. A triangular cut creates two handles for a secure knot. Dual trowel action creates the perfect spackle job. A compass traces the intricacies of a crown molding cut. A portable paint can gets drilled directly into a brush. A sponge and a steady hand create a faux look. A whisk doubles as a scooping tool for flour. A plastic bottle spout creates the perfect pouring tool. A pot lid is used to extract every bit of cheese. Rigorous shaking in various directions amazingly organizes nails. Rotation and friction help thread a tricky needle. Paper is wrapped on the outside for a snug inside fit. Cold hard butter made fluffy with a strainer. Veggies get sealed with a bottle cap, straw, and hair dryer. Two coat hangers mimic straps for this umbrella backpack. Several vertical cuts allow for the ultimate circular cut. Dental floss is used to precisely slice a watermelon. A grinding wheel is made out of an old bottle cap. A log is quartered with a sledgehammer and a splitter. A self-propelled mower on a leash keenly cuts grass. Caulking is laid down cleanly with a custom-cut spout. Plastic-wrapped cement serves as faux stones for a driveway. A double-handled bike chainsaw severs a tree. A slick banner undercuts snow to break it free. These pros zipline a treetop directly into the chipper. An older brother disguises medicine as watermelon juice. A picture is hung with tape as a tracing mechanism. Soaked tissues and the perfect throw trap a cockroach. The tape acts as a handle to fetch locked-in keys. An orbital sander breaks sand loose for quick vacuuming. A generous cat offers its claw in place of a knife. Three drops and gravity team up for the perfect measurement. Excess air gets vacuumed out for optimal storage. Tasks are checked off with a quick flip of a binder clip. A perfectly positioned pillow redirects water jugs for delivery. A matchbox makes for the perfect catch and release device. Rebar hang-ups are avoided with a trusty water bottle. Molten plastic is jammed in to retrieve a broken key. Attach zip ties to a multi-tool for easy weed whacking. An old tuna can is transformed into a drywall tool. A paper towel rod creates the perfect sneaky safe. Chopped up sponge glued to a glove for easy dishwashing. Puddle walking is made easy with a leaf blower. A gas-powered auger bit bores planting holes. Hemming is made easy with a quick cuff and a sew. Fluid is transferred with a jerry-rigged compressor eductor.